Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I have been waiting for this package for a couple weeks now. I think that this took 2.5 weeks to get to me, but it's very exciting. This is the Colourpop and Hocus Pocus collab. So I didn't get the whole entire collection, you know, I only got a few things, but I've wanted to do this video because I have gotten some requests to do more makeup tutorials. So I'm gonna be playing with the makeup that I did get today. And yeah, I'm very excited about this because I actually just watched Hocus Pocus for the first time. I know, I haven't watched like half of the classic movies that are out there. I feel like everybody has seen that movie. Everyone's seen Nightmare on Elm Street. I just watched Nightmare on Elm Street actually like a couple days ago. So I'm just getting to watch all of these classic films, and I absolutely love the 80s and 90s for horror movies because they're so just cheesy, and not like Hocus Pocus is a horror movie per se, but it was a really good like 90s, early 90s movie. I watched it just in time for this package. So let's go ahead and get started. If you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let's go ahead and open this. Did you guys know, fun fact about me, Halloween is actually one of my favorite holidays. I'm just a horror movie junkie, and Halloween and October, anything during spooky season is a favorite. So this is my little package here. Little invoice is on the top. I got the new palette that came out this year called The Witching Hour. I actually really wanted to get the candle as well. I'm pretty sure the candle was sold out, and I was on the website right when it launched, so I don't know what happened with that, but I really wanted to get the black flame candle. I'll show you guys in a second. I'll open everything up. I'm just going to show you really what I got. I got an eyeliner. I got the cream gel liner in black flame candle. So this is what the packaging looks like. It is this beautiful green color. I think that came out last year as well. This is something that I'm so excited for because I wanted this last year and then I slept on it. Like, their launch last year was a complete mess. So it was supposed to launch one day, didn't launch that day, it launched the next day, and it sold out within like 2 minutes or something crazy like that. So this is the Gather Round Sisters palette. That's what it looks like. Ooh, I'm so excited for that. And then I got another one as well. I sometimes sell things on Facebook to kind of like get my money back. So that's probably what I might do with this palette. If I don't end up selling it, I'll throw it in a giveaway at some point in time. But yeah, let's go ahead and open everything up. So the first palette, this one, the one from this year, actually I like the packaging of this one a little bit more than I liked the last year's packaging. So this one obviously has more shades in it. This one has 3, 6, 9, 12. This one has 12 eyeshadows in it, but look at that packaging though. It is so pretty. I love the design on it. As you guys can see, it's kind of like raised on the packaging. Like, they did a really good job with this year's palette. And then this is what the back looks like with all the color names and stuff like that. The inside is even that orangey color. So I don't know, packaging for this one is on point and I absolutely love it. I know that people were kind of mad about this palette, saying that it wasn't really Halloween themed, like they didn't like the colors in this one or something, but I don't know, I like them. The mirror even has the 3 Hocus Pocus witches on there, the Sanderson sisters. How cute. And then these are the colors in the palette. I don't know what people were mad about, but these colors are really pretty. I guess they're not, you know, really standout shades. They're not anything really that unique for a palette, but they are really pretty for this time of year. Like, I definitely feel like this is like a very fall themed eyeshadow palette and I like it. So that's just me. Let's get into the Black Flame Candle eyeliner. I didn't know what color to get, but I ended up picking this one. I feel like this one was just different enough for me. I think they had a purple one, which is what I would normally go for. Ooh, I love this because it is retractable, so you don't have to sharpen it at all. That's what the eyeliner looks like. Let's just do a little, ooh, that is what the eyeliner looks like. It's not a very like unwearable green. It is, I don't know, I feel like this is just like an olivey green tone. It's not anything super bright and crazy, which I appreciate. So this is the packaging for last year's eyeshadow palette. Like I said, I think this year's one was really cute and really pretty. So I'm gonna be using this one today. I'm not gonna be using the new one. I'm gonna be using this one. But if you guys wanna see a look with the other one, just let me know and I will film one. Oh my gosh. See, this one doesn't even have a mirror. I appreciate the other one because it does have a mirror, but it does have a beautiful picture of the Sanderson sisters right at the top of the palette. How adorable is that? Who is your guys' favorite Sanderson sister? I think her name is Sarah, the blonde one. This one, she's funny. So these are the wonderful colors in this palette. They are so pretty. So I'm really, really loving the theme on this one. I love both palettes actually, to be honest with you. This one is more like neutral, I would say. I don't know. Yeah, this one's more neutral, more wearable. It does have some beautiful pops of color in there, but yeah, this palette is really, really pretty. Really, really well made. It does have, you know, writing on the back of it, and I don't know if you guys can see that on the actual palette itself, and the writing is raised. So they did a really good job with this collection. Like, you cannot tell me that they didn't do Hocus Pocus justice with this collection because it is awesome. So without further ado, let's get into creating something on my eyes. I didn't get any lip products from this collection because I have way too many lip products. I have way too many reds. So I am just gonna be doing a neutral lip today, but we are gonna go ahead and get started with this look. Okay, so now that you guys are all zoomed and up close and personal with my face, let's go ahead and get started with this palette. Ooh. So I do want to do something with the eyeliner because it seems to be really good quality. I just washed my hands. Whenever I touch any like mail or something, stuff that's been in the post, I like to wash my hands after because, you know, COVID and whatever. So I just washed my hands. I tried to scrub this off and it's still like really nice, really vibrant. So I do want to play with the eyeliner as well. So I'm gonna have to create something kind of around that. I'm gonna get started with Hello Salem, which is this color right here. And this is going to be my transition color. I had to pull out a mirror because this palette doesn't have a mirror, unfortunately. This palette not only sold out online last year, but people were selling it for crazy amounts of money on eBay as usual. Like, it was going for, you know, $300. So I'm going to be very honest with my review and tell you if it's worth, you know, overspending for it. This is the perfect transition color in my personal opinion. Like, this is what I like in a transition color. It's very hard to get the right shade for my skin tone. I don't know why, but a lot of transition colors are too dark for me. So this I can appreciate and it's perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna darken it up a little bit. I am gonna take On Toast, which is this color right here, and I'm going to put that into my crease. By the way, what is your guys' favorite Disney movie? I think, honestly, I really loved Hocus Pocus. Like, really, really loved it. For, you know, like a real life Disney movie, not like a cartoon, but you know how there's like 101 Dalmatians and other ones that are real life films, not animated. I think I really liked Hocus Pocus the best. Okay, that color is darker than I thought it was gonna be, but it's fine. We're gonna take Bewitched, which is this olivey tone color at the bottom here. And that is what I'm going to use for my outer corner. Okay, so that is the green color. I feel like it's really a lot darker than I thought it was gonna be. I don't know how I feel about this color. I thought it was gonna be more green, but I feel like it definitely has a very, very strong brown undertone to it. And maybe mixed with those other two brown shades gives it a more brown appearance. But I was expecting this to be a little bit more green than it is. I'm gonna blend that out actually before we do anything else. Okay, so that color actually blended out a lot nicer than I thought it was going to be. So I do like the way this is looking so far. I'm going to take Yabos next, and it is this color right here, which is like a greeny gold color. And I'm gonna take that on a flat shader brush. Those first two colors that I put on just completely disappeared. So I'm gonna try to reapply them a little bit just to give it more depth. But yeah, that color that I just applied is really, really pretty. So I'm gonna take my blending brush with nothing on it and just kind of clean up the edges. With that same brush, I'm going to reapply the first two colors, starting off with Hello Salem, which is this one right here, and then On Toast, which is that one right there. So I'm just gonna do just a little bit of depth with it on this brush, nothing too crazy. Okay, so now just to intensify that lid color a little bit, I'm just gonna take a clean finger and reapply that green color. I just feel like it should be a little bit more intense, and there you go, that's the trick. Okay, so that is the look that I came up with the eyeshadows. I actually really like how it turned out. I'm going to be applying my eyeliner, mascara, and all of that, but before that, I'm gonna take that green eyeliner that I got from Colourpop, and I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna actually put this on my waterline as well as my lower lash line. Okay, I will say that on my waterline, it's not as vibrant as I thought it would be. It's not as vibrant as it is on the skin. It's not as vibrant as it is on my lower lash line. So that's something to keep in mind. I don't honestly use a lot of these gel pencil liners on my lower lash line. I usually stick to Black Track Fluid Line because gel just performs so much better than a pencil. But I know a lot of people prefer pencil liner. I just don't think it's ever as intense as it could be, if that makes sense. Okay, so that is the Black Flame Candle eyeliner. And yeah, I mean, I don't hate it. It's just not as intense as I would have wanted it to be on the, what's it called, on the waterline. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my eyeliner, mascara, and all of that off camera, and then I'll give you guys kind of a summary on what I thought about this collection. So I'll BRB. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I just have to do one more thing with this palette that I completely forgot to do, which is my highlight. So I'm going to be taking Full Moon in the corner right there, this color right here. It's kind of like a skin tone color. It does have some shimmer to it, and I'm not the biggest fan of shimmery highlights. This one is like really, really shimmery. Actually, I'm going to take Wench, which is this color right here in the corner, and I'm gonna take that and put it in my inner corner. I'm just gonna take it on my finger and place it in my inner corner. Okay, so that is the final look. Let me tell you guys my thoughts on the collection. So this palette, I feel like it was very, 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 very well done. Like, I like the color combination in here. I like the pigmentation on the shades in here. This look was pretty much effortless to blend out. So I definitely see what all the hype was about with this palette last year. Would I tell you to go out and spend $300 on eBay just to get this palette? No, I would tell you guys to wait another year, and who knows, this might come back next year for next Halloween as well. So yeah, all in all, I did really, really enjoy this eyeshadow palette, and all the colors that I used were really nice and pigmented, and they blended out nicely. 10 out of 10 for the Gather Round Sisters palette. And then the eyeliner. So the eyeliner, I like the color, I like the pigmentation, and I like the lasting power. As you guys can see, it's still on my hand. I washed my hands twice already. It's still at the back of my hand. But as far as pigmentation on the waterline, it's lacking, and I feel like that just happens with a lot of pencil eyeliners. I feel like I just have to continue going on back and forth on my waterline to get the pigmentation to kind of build up. I can see it fading already on this side on my waterline. So as far as an eyeliner goes, this is a really nice lower lash line type eyeliner. I really do like the color. Performance wise, I would probably give this a 6 out of 10. And of course, I didn't end up trying the Witching Hour palette today, but if you guys do want a review on this, or you want me to film some kind of look using this palette, please go ahead and let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below if you haven't already. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.